Alan Eckman of Agora Financial joins us for his trade of the day with the weekly options alert. But before we get to that, Alan, we have to talk about a lot of the big moves that we've seen in the market. And this is a holiday trading week, so the market will be closed on Thursday. Some traders taking off early on Wednesday.
Right. There will be maybe some lighter volumes, but there's still opportunities. So
well, Friday sometimes can be a big moving day.
Let's not forget about it. And
the Dow has made a big move to the downside, as you know, of late. Walmart is one of the stocks that you're trading here.
Yeah, we've got a Walmart option, a 95 call. Now it's a December 14th, so there's more than 3 weeks of time. So let's see if we can get a bit of a rebound. We had some profit taking after their earnings number, and it's kind of tracked as the Dow has declined here in the last week or so. Let's look for a little bit of a rebound.
The FANG names have suffered of late,
right.
But Intel,
Intel
name that's holding up.
Yeah, doing very well. It's stuck at this 48 level. If it can get through 49, it's hit that 3 times, and it's going to get to 55. So we've got the December 21st, 42 calls. So that's more than a month of time, but I'm very impressed by the steadiness in this stock as everybody else has drifted lower.
Vistra is a name that you put on recently. What's happening with that trade?
Let's look for it to push above 25. The December 22 calls are the play. Again, time for bullish development.
And your WPI trade trigger of the week is?
Light it up with Cree, C-R-E-E. And so we're looking to see this stock can continue with its gains. It's bounced 25% since its October low. Looking for some more momentum. We've got the $40 calls for December. This is a stock that's traded between 40 and 44 for the last week or so. A breakout here targets 48 on the upside, which is 10% more. These weekly options would really pay off if we get that breakout move to that target level.
And as you alluded to, the company is in the lighting space.
Right. They've revolutionized lighting. You know, we've shifted from the old hot light bulbs to these heat-free LEDs and all the other technologies. So they've been a driving force behind that, and their stock has done very, very well.
And your trading floor takeaways, we have to start with what's going on with the dollar.
Yeah, the dang dollar. Now, you know, we've talked about this a lot. That was kind of my premise. Look for the dollar decline. That could be supportive of the markets. Well, last week it made new year highs, but then it had a lower weekly close. So that could be key reversal for a positive move, hopefully in some of these other markets. Let's see if it can continue this downward slide.
The VIX this week was around a 20 in the trading session on Monday. So is that a feeling of no fear here?
Well, we continue to test the downside in some of these stock indexes, but we're not seeing any numerical fear. If you look at this index, it's really not spiking the way it had in the past. So I could view that as a positive sign. Let's wait and see if that foretells anything.
And last on your list, turkey time.
Turkey time. The last 50 years, the S&P, if you bought it the 2 days before Thanksgiving and sold it at the end of the year, the average gain was more than 4%. So this is a positive time of the year. Let's look to see if that can happen once again.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.